for you. Now me tell your ex-wife, say make you carry your children, run away from you. Why you could be saying na me, you say you want to pay people for waiting you use your hand take cost for yourself. Why you could be saying na me, I'm my innocent baby. Now you want to pay. You tell George, you know fear, you say make George collect my baby from my hands. They really carry the baby. Felice Ozidede, I know you before. The document where you want to say when me give you. Now you give me document. Now you give me document. Now you give me document. I be the house where you say when me give you. Now your papa now your papa for grave. Now give me the house. I be now your mama for grave. Now give me the house. The house where you say when me put your name, when me remove my son name and put your son name so that when you be the owner of my house, as if for waiting. How me go remove my son name and put your son name, say may you be my own, may you come be the owner of my house. Only you want. Now you go still carry friends. You go pack friends come my house. Without say you not go tell me. If me ask you, go begin call they threaten me with I don't bagger. Now say I go do you this. Now say you go do me that. Felice Ozidede, if I go not punish you today, if you not die today, my God, go take your children one by one. My God, your children, your 3 children, be 4 children, be now 5 children you get. They go bury them one by one this year. You go begin to bury them one by one this year. If you not bury one, if you not bury all your children this year, go not say my name not be Kate. Me not be Kate. If you not bury your children this year, you go not say me not be Kate. You hear me so? Go not say my name not be Kate. If you not bury your children one by one this year, if those your 4 children not die, or be 5 children not die for your eye this year, you're gonna say me, I don't be wicked. Shebi you sabi judge, you sabi defend, you sabi show, take, you see, prove, I get this, I get that. You will be say, they find for Italy. You will be say, then the Italy, they find you for the 21 prison, the 21 years in prison where you get for grant for Italy there. They find you for Italy. Now you call France. You can't say na me. Now you want to use this show for France. My dear, I go worry you till your grave. If you not go your grave, if they not bury you, I no go rest. I no go rest. For today go, I don't be your nightmare. I don't be your nightmare. Me, I don't become your dream. I go make sure say, you see this idiot, this mogo. Okay, they carry the baby come out from my hand. You see say now let me one. No be your blood. Ha! Now let me want burner. I still be your blood now. But you mumu rich. You mumu rich because of documents. Because of your documents. Because of 65 euros. I mean 66 euros. Where there they give the baby where they say the money even they reach me even take they buy pampers for a week. Now it make you say make government carry the baby. Say you better say where the baby there for government hand. That say the baby go there my hand. You see your life? And that baby, that innocent baby, that innocent baby, its tears go there your head. He go there your head. That innocent baby go worry you. He go also worry the children where you there born. All those your children go die one by one. That one there for government hand. Now government carry on, you don't go die. But your own children go die for your eye. All of them go die for your eye one by one. Better. See you they pretend saying I saw you clean. Where you tell they carry they call. If you ask where you not get, where they say you know they pay us rent. You know they pay the light bill. You know they pay the gas bill. You know even they contribute anything for the house. I pick you for dustbin. I pick you like a junkie. Put you for my house. Bath you. Finish. Feed you. Finish. Because they waited to pay me back. Now government will take my blood away from me. You go suffer. You go suffer. You Felix, you go suffer. You see, say for that swear when the rest women don't first swear for you, if they worry, you will be saying, oh, your body full of city like they see wait, you carry HIV. Now so man. And Nigerian man for that matter go even say you want bath. And Nigerian man for that matter go say you want bath. He go carry water, go they pour and put for body. Come out to use sponge. He will take bath. You know they use sponge. Since when me not Felix on the day. For since 1 year now, that man never use sponge. She take touch his body. He never bath with sponge. Now say go you want enter bathroom, you go turn water put for body, go come up inside bathroom. You carry towel, my white towel, take clean body. You be like say my white towel, they go put her for erosion. They go just like go take go dry erosion. You know they share for all those things. You know they share. All day you want your body full of sweetie. It be like person made the throw medicine give for your baba things where they do. But the one when me go do you now, you go pass that sweetie. HIV go enter you and you go die slowly. That time you go beg for that, you not go see. You go there for this world, you go suffer. You go suffer. You go even they beg God, say God I beg, take my life. God no go green. God, because he must allow you to suffer with you cause for yourself. You made them take away my 3 months old, my 2 months old baby. 2 months, just 2 months old. 2 months old. You said, God, they take it away from me. You see me? I blame myself. Way. I regret the reason why. The very first day I know you, if I see you for face, I swear, I don't care to even not go to that prison where you always want me to go. That prison where you always want me to go. I don't care now to not go. But your life, for today go a day danger. I blame myself. You see, say for the court, the judge even still they blame me. The judge they blame me. How can me open my eye and born for that kind man? When me not say the baby, if me born now, the baby not go stay with me. When me go born for this kind man, when me not say if me born for the baby, if me born the baby not go stay with me. This man like they take away my baby of 2 months old. Wait till you want get for all these things where you do. Because of documents. Now me want to give you document after 29 years in Europe. Land you not get for Africa. If you come on land, you not get money bank, you not get for Africa. If you house, you not get for Africa. After 29 years in Europe, close to 30. And how many age you day? How many age you dey? Not be 47. You want complete now. 47 old man. Now him say me they take away 2 months old baby. Government. They want me. Now what did the judge still tell me? Now me cause this thing for myself. You know why? Because why? When me take born that baby for hospital, when you take hospital, cause they make problem with me, say I not put your name for the baby. They go tell me say, may this baby for they save with me. May they carry me and the baby go for a year. They no say me get house. Me can say no, me not they go for a year. Okay, they can still reason and say me they were for France. Maybe not go say outside they when I make me say me no want for a year. Okay, they go still beg me, okay, they want go rent one room and parlor for me when me day. When me day with my baby. I say no. Say I no agree because I don't already get my whole ass. When me they were. They can't want me. Okay. They go leave this baby for you. When you want condition. You know why? Because they see the way you take care of this baby. They see the way you take care of this baby. Because of this reason, they go allow me go my house with my baby. Because the man tell they say me they collect this baby from my hand for hospital. May they not allow me come out with this baby for hospital. When they collect the baby from my hand, for the very day the baby was born, say me they collect her from my hand for hospital. Based on say hospital, they not be that kind of bad people. They don't see anything, say I do anything bad. Where he go make the collect my baby. Now so they got to change my room. I don't know say information. This man don't give the information. They will lie. He said me no fit take care of my baby. Say me no go fit take care of my baby. Oh, say me they collect the baby from my hand for hospital. Why? Because the son not put in name. He sent me voice record that very day. Promise me he with his useless brother where they call Peter for Nigeria. Peter was the way I see that go kill for Nigeria. Where that Peter, whether Peter be made, Peter was the they go die by accident for Nigeria there. That man no go pass. That your brother no go pass this year. Now accident go kill him. That one never do. I got surprised say they come meet me. They said they need to change my room. Now I ask they say why. They say they get why because why the way this man they behave, then they fear say make this man not call you this baby, make not call kid the innocent baby. Because the way the man push the baby made they just newborn. Baby will never reach 30 minutes where they born. If you see the way this man carry that baby, freak out your way. If they drag, he carry baby for nurse hand. He push the baby away. If they drag paper for nurse hand, say one check on whether I name day, whether I name day. If they tell us say, since not be name day, say me nurse go remove my son name. Not be say me not put in name now, another man name I put my son name. Because why? The time I get belly, this man leave me. He abandoned me. After 8 months, I was born. This man got to come back. At that time, France got reject and said, then they're not working for their country. Again. Now I got to come back. I don't know say I document. Can I come back? Oh, now later, we got to do all those things. Now me tell us, I say, why you go to behave all this kind of things? You want to me to take this baby from my hand? Now you go to tell me, say France not give her paper. Say France reject her. Say France. Ask them to come up for their country because they don't give a paper. He not get document. Now me tell France say me they don't give you document. Now me tell you, may you they pack people come for the foyer where they put you. You they pack people from Italy they come. Say make them they pay you 50 euro. May where you they carry they come. You they collect money for people's hands. And you want to say make the government give you documents. As they want to give you the document. Where can be say you they do traffic some case for their country. You never do you. They call say when me come up for the room. They want to change my room. And really, they can't really carry me come up for the room. I don't know say the room where they go put me camera there. I don't know say camera there for the room where they carry me go. So they can't need to ban this man. So make no come for hospital again. Or see me go come up for hospital. Make this man not come hospital again. Say if he come, if they fear, they go call police for him. Really? He go come. They not go agree say make him enter. They go drive him. He go back. The place where they put me, I don't know say camera deal. Now after a week, I spent almost about a good week. Almost close to 2 weeks. Now me when they go for hospital, before hospital call release me to come out. They call me say when me come out with my baby. Hey, the day when me want come out for hospital, now that day me no say that room where they put me and my baby, say camera dey there. I surprised say the oga, their own manager for the hospital come by himself. Call they wish me well, they pray for me. They tell me say he pray say when me jama, where you go fit join me take care of my baby. Say the father of my baby is a very bad person. Say the man tell the say me no fit take care of my baby. Say me they collect the baby from my hand. He tell they say me not go fit take care of my baby. Say maybe they collect the baby from my hands. So because of say they don't get any proof when they want to collect the baby, now me Come carry me come this room. Now so the woman come take point and go up. He say when me look up. Now me call look. I see say camera did there. Now I say wow. So when I carry me, when I put me for where camera they since. So why? Now they call they explain to me. See the reason why. And the reason why they put me for that room. They don't monitor me. They don't investigate me. They say me not be that kind of person where the man tell them say I be. Say but they go tell me say when me go for a year with my baby go stay for a year. Even if say I get house I dey well just for the protection of my baby. Say because the man not want this baby. Wait this man want in a document. Then don't see him. Say the man don't want the baby. Now I know they go for a year. Because okay, maybe they still go rent one room and bed, one room and parlor for me. Saying, but me no go pay. Oh, I no go they pay now. Then go they pay for me. I can't say no. How me go there? Me go still they pay my own house rent. My own house rent when me they pay for a month. And they pay 800 euro. Why government? Why government they support me with 400 euro? Why everything can be 1,200 euro? When me they pay every month for my own house? This man never support me one day. Pay my rent. But you go to my house, you go to carry friends, they come without you no go even take permission from me. You go to carry friends, they pack, they come my house. They come, they pack, come. I caught her the they go to the house. I prefer to stay in my house. I don't know say the house. When we go stay, my baby not go there with me again. Which house? Now wake government go carry the house because I don't want again. I don't want this house again. Make they go carry the house. Me no want again. I don't want their house again. I don't want again. As I come out for hospital, they come warn me. They say they go only leave me go for one condition. Gay. Say that condition. They no want see this man close to my baby. If they see him close to my baby, they will collect the baby from my hand. And then I caught her and say, okay, I don't hear. And really, I can't take their word because I don't want to make them collect this baby from my hand. I know what. Now this useless man called they call my old brother for Italy. They tell my brother, I say, my brother beg me. Say when me just allow him to call they visit the baby, just to see the baby for face. After some months, after 1 month, now I could say allow this man. This man don't come for many times for my house. I don't go open door for him. He go. He don't come many times. I don't go open door for him. He go because government don't want me to say. If they see this man close to my baby, they go collect that baby from my hand. When I see say, ask Percy, they use good, they kill safe. For this life, he no good. Say me, you they do good, oh. He no good. I don't kill myself with my good. I use the good. I use and take kill myself. See now, I use and take suffer innocent baby, small baby for that matter. He can't get one day where this man can come. That's say he pressing my bell. As me not do answer him, he can't begin to disturb all my labor. They disturb all my labor. They press all my own labor door. Now they are you say, one woman they knock they knock my door. Now me call go open door for her. Now they tell me say, he get that man, he get one time man where he always they come call they meet me for a house. Say the man they press it bell. Say when me ask the man why the man they press the bell. Really, I could come out. I come meet and say, why you go they press my labor bell? No, they disturb my labor. Again. Why could they beg me? Say why just see baby. When me allow him see baby. Oh, see me now. I can't really allow this man see this baby. Make this man can't go. Over since then, this man not gree leave my house again. I don't know, say this street, he not get where to stay. He will always they post picture. They do like say life they work for her. He not get house. He not get anything. After 29 years in Europe, oh, he not get anything. Nothing get. House for Nigeria, he not get. Land for Nigeria, he not get. Nothing, not even change he get for account. If you say shoe where they wear, if you put that shoe for your own present, you go fight. Shoe where be say crazy person no go even feel wear. Now they wear. Make this man come up from my house. He no gree. Till that day where the matter happen. I not talk bad. Now he carry his friend come my house. Even when he know say government bad and say make you know they come my house, call they see my baby. He still carry his friends come, he call the shot for my back hole. Now me take on me can say, why you going to make noise for my back hole? And you know say government banned you, and maybe government just tell my labor, say make them they watch, make them they monitor me, whether they go see you around this my house. No, they make noise for my back hole. No, they disturb my labor. And your friends, where you they carry the call, you know say government banned you, but I allow you to call the see your baby because of say may God not say I call they do bad things. They make me. Even when say I allow this man to call the see baby, common food you know fit buy, pampers you know fit buy. I be the only one way be say I go buy pampers, I go buy food. Now me go buy clothes. For your present, now I carry 400 euro come out. I carry go supermarket, carry go boutique. I use Zante do shopping for my own baby. Still go buy food. Nothing when you did.